So hello everyone. I have already discussed all about lambda function in my previous video. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to talk about filter function, and inside the filter function we are going to use lambda function also. So if you don't know about anything related to lambda function, then first of all please watch that video first and then come back to filter function. So our today's topic is all about filter function. Okay. Now, first of all, we obviously know about Microsoft Excel. Okay, and in that also we have a list of things. Okay, in the column form or maybe in the row form, whatever. But in Excel we have one command, or you can say that function, that is filter. So which gives you the things which you want. It just filter out. Okay, so here also the meaning of filter function will remain same. This function is used to filter the values from a sequence of values. Okay, like using filters, suppose there are entries 90, 100, 100, 200, 300, 400. And suppose if you want like more than 90 only things you want to show or display, then you can use filter. Okay, so let us understand with this some basic example. Suppose A is equal to, and we have one list where we have some values. For example, something like this: uh, uh, 1100, 1400, 255, and 361. Okay, something like this. Some six to seven values. Okay, and obviously uh, we are going to store our answer in the result variable. So result equal to, and as we are using filter function, so first of all I'm not going to write the exact thing, but filter is an inbuilt function and it has two things in the parameter bracket. So first of all let me write those two things. You can write either your function part, and you can write the iterable variable or iterable object. This you can write iterable. Now when I say iterable object, it means list, tuples, range are called as iterable. Okay, so basically what we are going to do is, our iterable object is fixed, that is A, because A is having some numbers in the list form. So one by one it will be given to some function, but we are not going to write a simple or a normal function. We will write the lambda function, which takes only one argument at a time. So I will write lambda and x, then colon. Now our purpose is to display the value of A. From A, it should display the numbers which are greater than 1000. So I will simply write x greater than 1000. Okay, and then I will use comma. I'm done with my first part. Either you can write lambda function totally, or you can write the name of the normal function which you can define in your program. Okay, and my iterable object name is A. So from A, one by one value will be given to x. Then x will check it is greater than 1000 or not. If it is yes, it will filter out that and it will store in which variable? Result. And then we will display our answer in the form of list. So like y is equal to list function, because we are converting our answer of result in the list form. So y is equal to list of result, and then print y. Okay, so we will check the output of this program now. See, 1255, 1100 and 1400. That are the only three numbers which are greater than 1000. And suppose if I change my condition less than 1000. See, I'm getting this. So basically filter is very simple, just to filter out the things from the given set of list. Whatever you want, whatever is your requirement, you just filter out those things. So that is actually all about the filter function. In my next video, I'm going to focus on map function. Thank you everyone.